That bird over there is a barnacle goose. The barnacle goose's scientific name is Brontolesopiscis. Some barnacle geese make long trips when they fly south for winter. Those traveling from remote islands may fly over the ocean for 4 hours non-stop. More than 800 years ago, people in Ireland didn't know these geese migrated far away to breed on Arctic islands. Instead, they thought the birds began life as a goose barnacle, and then transformed into adult birds. This is why they're called barnacle geese. And these guys